Right now, Nashville weather is trending worldwide as forecasts warn of severe thunderstorms and possible tornadoes. People across the country are searching for updates as this system threatens the region with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy flooding. Here are 3 key facts. First, the National Weather Service has issued a moderate risk alert for Middle Tennessee. Second, storm timing is expected late this afternoon into tonight, so residents should prepare now. And third, Nashville saw similar severe weather just last year, making this trending search a serious one. Stay updated with NewsDrop, what the world is searching for, every hour.